Hey guys, it's TheCubeSyndrome here. Today I am super excited as I'm going to be unboxing some speed cubes which will most likely be my main for their respective events. Now, as a side note, for those of you who have watched my previous video, you may notice that I have slightly repositioned the camera, which may cause you to see some of the background, such as my lamp over there and maybe my wall. However, this will allow you to see more of my table, which is good for unboxing videos like this one. Now, let me show you guys what's inside. Ooh. Okay, so I got a Xinghen M 2x2, a Customline Wuque M, as well as a Qiyi Volt square one. This will be my first square one, so I'm pretty excited about this. Now, I'm gonna open the 2x2 first, as it's the smallest cube. This is pretty exciting. Right. Here's the cube by Guoguan. Okay, probably going to be keeping this box as it has tensioning tools as well as a stand, some cards right here, and yeah, first turns. Okay. The magnets are super strong on this. Like, you can just see the snap. And the other thing I'm noticing is that this is a pretty good speed, but the cube is quite dry, so I'm gonna have to lube it later on. Let me do a quick solve on this. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not that good at 2x2, but this will hopefully make me better, as it is quite future-proof. Okay, let's get into the next cube. Okay, let's do the Stickless Vault. As I said before, this is my first square one, so obviously I don't know how to solve one. Okay. I think this tells you like the different algorithms and stuff. I might read that later. Let's open the actual cube. Okay, let's turn this. Okay, what I'm noticing is that these slice turns, or whatever you call them, they're really fast. However, with these turns, it's quite sluggish. Like, you can see this flows really well, but this one requires some effort to actually finger trip. However, I am liking the feel and the smoothness of this cube. It will hopefully encourage me to get into square one. That's pretty interesting. Let's get into the last cube and my most anticipated one, the Wuque. This is the Customline version, which means it's pre-lubricated and tensioned by SPEEDCUBE.com. I can't wait to see how this feels. Okay, the shades are pretty good. It feels a tiny bit greasy on the outside, but oh geez, that's really smooth. And the speed isn't too fast as well. Like the tensions are pretty good, and it's really stable. I think the magnets are the perfect strength for this cube, as it keeps it stable. Wow. Okay, hopefully this cube will get me into 4x4, as I already have a 4x4, but it's super duper bad. Like, I can solve one, but I don't know the parity alg, so technically I can't. And now that I have a good future-proof 4x4, maybe I can get good at it and maybe someday be sub 1 minute. So that concludes my unboxing and first impressions of these 3 cubes. I was overall really impressed with the performances, and they will definitely become my main. Thank you.